Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this was the end of Friday's session up here with the night trading on Sunday starting right in here. Get an initial drop, pull back up, and a secondary drop that takes place into the late night hours. There would have been a secondary trade entry that would have been, I think, actually really pretty good right there, but not likely I'd be trading that at that time of the hour. 5:30, an hour before the open. This little area looks okay for a small scalp trade. Takes us into the open, and actually this area is okay for a small scalp trade. I likely would have traded that for a small move back. The trend changes direction again, turning point right in here, initial move. Secondary move comes in right over here. Both of those would have been fine. There's the secondary signal, there's the primary signal. And going into the first 30 minutes, I probably would not have traded anything in there. I might have traded something in there, but and for sure I probably would not have traded in here. Do get another turning point just after 7 o'clock. Right in here, initial signal, long right in here, secondary signal right in here, which would have been right about in there. Both good for a small counter trend move back up, but turning point nonetheless, both good for at least a small scalp trade. Does show signal short right here. This would have been a stop out at least for a minimum of a point. Do get a turning point continuation right in here. That would have been right there. See how those line up. I probably, well, for sure I wouldn't be trading all of these, but anywhere and part of the day that you come in, the indicators that I have set up and built into my system here do help, and they can help, but you really need to know how to trade this in order to really take advantage of all of this. Let's see, turning point again right here, and that's actually what I teach. I teach how to read the price. Then that way you know what's coming. Basically trade to targets. Didn't really analyze the market much today, just kind of logged in, seen a few things, put on one trade and logged off, and I was gone. Right in here, initial turning point, secondary turning point right in here, or secondary trade. So there's the initial right here, there's the secondary spot right there, and you can just see, it's just very consistently how it adds up or lines up to what I'm pointing out to you. This was a move in here, no signal in here, but I could see this was the finish of the move, at least the short-term finish of the move. So I can't really say too much, but I could see this was a low-risk entry still for me, so I entered here and scaled out just as you see right there. Ended the last part, got out at the market, had my stop down here, but just hit the close button, so closed that out quickly. Anyway, change of direction, coming in actually right in over here. Again, a slight signal short in here. Probably would not have traded anything in there for sure. Then throughout the slow period of the day, 11 o'clock it starts to pick up again. I could possibly see maybe taking this spot right in here. Maybe not. Tough call on that if I would have really taken that or not. I do believe I would have taken something right in there. That was right here. And towards just right at the close, do get a turning point, small directional change taking place right there. So you can see those are the turns here for the day. There's actually some night action here right now going on, where you can see how that also lines up, but that's actually right in there. But again, the trade signals in here that you're seeing, that is really not the method. I use this. It's a good guide. It's something to lean on to help you with timing. This is a minimal amount what I'm showing right here. I do have other things to help complete this, but I can't really show you too much, but something's better than nothing, so that you can see that how the timing could possibly help you. I do teach the structure, and that's what counts. So thanks for tuning in.